welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a new collection from Colored Raine that I will be trying out for you guys today, and it is the Queen Bee collection. How beautiful is this box? Gorgeous. So inside this box were a few different items, one of which is the Queen Bee eyeshadow palette. Look at the outward packaging of this. It has like a holographic effect. And then when you open it up, you do get a mirror and you get these 6 beautiful shades. They all have that bee embossed in the center. Colored Raine does a lot of 6-pan palettes and I can really appreciate that. And the brand in general is a rather affordable indie makeup brand. And if you've never tried them out, I do have a couple videos where I'm trying out different Colored Raine palettes. So I think I'll go ahead and make a Colored Raine playlist and I'll have it linked in a pinned comment so that way you can browse through some other videos that I have up. But I have yet to be disappointed with anything that I've purchased from Colored Raine. Very happy with everything. Now also inside this box were 2 satin bullet lipsticks and 2 lip liners. I am wearing one of the bullet lipstick and liner combo. The lipstick that I'm currently wearing is called Busy Bee, and that's the packaging of the bullet lipstick. Let me just go ahead and open it up. This is the one on my lips. A nice like burnt orange shade. And then the lip liner that I have on, I think this one's called, yeah, The Buzz. So I will be doing a lip swatch video because outside of the box, there were 2 liquid lipsticks that I cannot wait to try out. And also some scissors, which, hello, we can never have enough scissors. But I'll leave the lip swatches towards the end of the video. I will be creating 2 looks with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm excited. I'm excited to dive into this collection. If you love bees, and I know there's a lot of you out there, you love the bees, you love what they symbolize, then this might be a collection that you want to pick up, you want to check out. It is available right now on the Colored Raine website for $68. Now, I don't have a code with Colored Raine, but sometimes I do get PR from them. This I did purchase myself, but I know if you sign up for their emails, you can get like 15% off your first order, so that might be something that you want to do in case any of this collection appeals to you. If it is your first time here on my channel, first and foremost, hi, welcome. My name is Steff. I love doing new makeup reviews, foundation reviews, eyeshadow palette looks. I always do multiple looks with an eyeshadow palette. If that sounds like something you want to see on pretty much a daily basis, because I do upload quite a bit, please do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the bell notification icon so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I tend to upload in the evenings during the week, and on the weekend it could be mid-afternoon or evening as well. And if you like this video, if you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up on your way out. All of the makeup that I'm using both on and off camera will be linked and listed in the description box of today's video. Some of those things might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I am so excited for this collection. I love this box. I'm going to keep this box. Definitely going to be recycling this. If you want to see the new Colored Raine Queen Bee collection in action, keep on watching. Alright guys, I've already primed my eyelids using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Let's dive into Miss Queen Bee over here. And I didn't even take like pictures of this. I usually like to make Instagram reels with new collections, but I do not have time to do that right now. I'll have to do it later. Okay, the yellow is obviously calling my name. So let's try to do maybe a yellow inner corner and then, gosh, I don't know. Let's see, I'm gonna go in with the yellow first. The yellow is called Pollen in Love. I'm taking that shade on a BK206. I'll put that a little higher up here. I still don't know what I'm doing yet, but we'll figure it out. I know I really want the yellow to show. It is a beautiful yellow. Really nice. Now, I think I'm gonna do this shade right here, like in the center. The shade is called Behave. So cute. Love the shade names. The brush I'm using is a BK203. I think I'm going to do the black on the outer corner. Okay, so those are blending really well with one another. Now I'm gonna do the black. The black shade is called Bewitched, and I'm using this Refer 13. Adding a little bit more Behave right in here. And Pollen in Love. Okay, I think we got a pretty decent blend. What do you guys think? That didn't take too long either. Okay, now these two shimmer shades look stunning. Stunning. I think for this look, I'm gonna go in with this one though. This one is Unbelievable. I'm taking that on a Morphe M124, but where do I want to put it? Do I even want to put anything up there? Let me see right here in the inner. I probably should have used another brush. The Refro 3. Okay, yeah, I think I'm just gonna do it on the inner corner, but I'm not gonna use, I'll save that for the end. I'm not gonna use that brush. I'm gonna go in for the lower lash line with this shade, and I'll probably add the yellow below it. So on a Refer 26, I'm taking the shade Honeycomb. Maybe I won't do the yellow. I might not have to. Yeah, I don't think I'll do the yellow underneath. I think I'll just leave it like this. This is a pretty good shade, good payoff. Now I'm gonna take Pollen in Love, the matte yellow, and I'm gonna drag it down a little bit. Right there. And then I'm gonna do that shimmer shade in the inner corner. Yeah, I think that looks better. I'm gonna use the same brush for that shimmer shade. I am gonna spray it with some setting spray. Now you don't have to, like you could easily leave the look like this, put on some eyeliner, mascara, call it a day if you wanted to do an all matte look. But you know, I want to try as many things as I can in this video. So, we're gonna put that right there. All right, guys, I am going to add perhaps some lashes, definitely some eyeliner, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. All right, guys, here's the completed look number 1. I am wearing my favorite lashes from Shop Miss A, the Alexis lashes, and I put on this new pair, and I used the scissors, very good scissors, and I like that they have the little point up here, perfect. They're sharp, they're good, and they help me trim down these lashes. I'm also wearing a mascara from Shop Miss A from AOA Studios. This one is the Tallash mascara? It's one of these that has the like no wand at all type of thing. It's like a little silicone comb. So I like it. I think it does a really good job, especially on the lower lash line. And then I am also wearing, to kind of tight line up here on the top lash line, a Colored Raine felt tip eyeliner in the shade Black. That is what I have going on for look number 1. I really like the way this look turned out, and I liked the way the matte shades blended into one another. I mean, really good. This palette so far is doing a great job, as I expected it would. Let's jump over to the left eye and start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I have to use this beautiful shimmer shade. I've already used all the matte shades, so what I think I'm gonna do is put this shade in the crease and then deepen it up with this shade. So the shade I'm gonna start off with is called Honeycomb. And guys, I forgot to mention this, but on the lower waterline over here, I went in with a NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Orange Zest. I'm taking Honeycomb on a Refer 15. On a Refer 14, I'm going in with that other shade. This one's called Behave. I think I'm going to add a little bit of the matte black on the outer corner. I'm using the same Refer 14, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the matte black. I like the way that looks. I think that is a really nice blend. Like all 3 matte shades just worked so well. I think I'm gonna do the yellow for the lower lash line, but now we're gonna go into this beautiful shade called Mind Your Business. Oh my god, I love these shade names. I'm taking this on a damp Morphe M124. Oh my goodness. Love that it has a bit of a green reflect to it. Did feel a little bit of fallout there. That is a beautiful shade. All right, now let's add some of the yellow to the lower lash line. I'm using a Rephr 26 for Pollen in Love. Now I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this shade, just really close to the lash line. Kind of just give it a little bit of depth, contrast. Okay guys, I am going to add, I'm going to bring down the shimmer shade, but I'm going to add the other lash liner, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Alright guys, here's the completed look number 2. I went in with the same black eyeliner for the top lash line from Colored Raine, and for the lower waterline, I went in with another NYX Epic Wear liner. This one is in the shade Cosmic Yellow. I'm just loving this green shimmer shade. Perfect. Like, green does have to be in a collection when you're going to be, you know, talking about bees or anything like that, because the trees, the plants, that's what the bees gravitate towards, the pollen and everything. So I am so happy they added this green shimmer. I love the colors. I love this palette. It performs so well, as have all of the 6-pan palettes that I picked up from Colored Raine. So now we're going to do some lip swatches. I'm going to remove what I have, and I'm just going to swatch it out for you again without the lip liner this time. And I will lip swatch the lip liners individually. I'll play some music for you guys, and then we will wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you all my final thoughts on the Queen Bee collection from Colored Raine. Okay guys, so after I've officially used every single thing in the new Colored Raine Queen Bee collection, this collection is definitely getting 2 thumbs up from me. I love the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is so good, guys. So good. Definitely, guys, if these colors appeal to you, and I don't see why they wouldn't, this is a solid 6-pan eyeshadow palette. You do get a mirror. All of these things you can purchase individually, so that's always great. I think these 6-pan eyeshadow palettes are like $16 or $17. They're not expensive at all. It's good quality. The shimmer shades are fantastic. The matte shades, everything just did such a good job with this collection. And as far as the lip products go, I've always been a fan of Colored Raine lip products. I have them already organized off to the side, so I'll know in what order they go whenever I edit that portion of the video. So I'm not gonna bring them back out again, but I love the satin lipstick formula. That is a bullet lipstick formula that you get inside the box along with the 2 different lip liners. The lip liners, one is more of a light neutral and then one is more of of a darker neutral, and I think they perfectly coordinate with all 4 different lippies in this collection. The 2 liquid lipsticks, they are lighter than the bullet lipsticks. The liquid lipstick formula, that's a good formula from Colored Raine. It's comfortable and it lasts. And last but not least, the scissors. I'm so glad that they included this. I had forgotten that these were going to be included, but they definitely came in handy. They're sharp, they're good, you can get a precise cut, and I used them today to trim the lashes that I'm wearing. Overall, guys, the collection is a winner. Again, this is the Queen Bee collection from Colored Raine, available right now on their website for $68. Sign up for their emails, that way you can get 15% off of your order. And if you don't want to buy the full collection, you can find most of these items available as an individual purchase. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Which look did you like best? What do you think of this new Queen Bee collection? Are you a fan of bees? Leave it all in the comments down below. One more thing I want to point out, all of the shade names from inside the palette to the liquid lipsticks to the lipsticks, the lip liners, everything was so cute. It was so cute. They did a great job naming all of these products. But now I want to hear from you guys. Leave it all in the comments down below what you thought of this new collection. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And we'll see you all very soon. Bye.